What are some of the essential things we need in modern business life today? Firstly, we have to be able to collect and store information and data and be able to use it in an intelligent way. Then we have to be able to access it anytime, any place. It sounds very easy, but actually is it? I'm here to find out how we do it.
Katri Riikonen works at Sofigate, and she specialises in ICT standard for management training and its implementation into the business world.
Good morning, Katri.
Good morning.
Where are you going today?
Well, actually today I'm traveling to Sweden.
And what are you going to do there?
I will be conducting a training session in ICT standard for management.
ICT is everywhere, and if that is the case, it's hard to imagine any modern business that would not deploy ICT in one way or another. Business requires solutions and services which need to be defined, acquired, implemented and developed. Is all this work supported by ICT?
The airport is like a multi-layered environment. Is ICT present here?
Yeah, well, ICT is present everywhere here. You have the digital ticketing system, you have the point of sales for the shops to work in, you have security controls and stuff. They are all having ICT behind them. And therefore you could say that ICT is really a crucial element for any business to exist nowadays.
So is ICT enabling this business function here at the airport to actually be a success?
Yes, very much so.
Are the systems being controlled inside the airport or are they controlled remotely? I mean, how does it all come together?
So this is what ICT standard for management is about. It gives you the clear instructions on how to do this within different layers.
Katri told me that ICT Standard for Management was inspired by the need to manage ICT professionally together with business and ICT service providers. ICT Standard provides clear guidelines for ICT management, and its audience includes both decision makers and ICT management professionals. She also said, ICT Standard for Management is an open source framework developed and governed by an international community of business and ICT professionals. Strategy and Governance stream defines the direction and way of managing ICT. The goal of the ICT is to support the company to achieve the targets and ensure a long-term operational development. Sourcing and Vendor Relationship stream outlines how the ICT can improve business competitiveness by defining clear goals and having a long-term perspective in sourcing decision-making. Project Management stream specifies how ICT can improve business processes through project management and how to make sure that the projects achieve their objectives within the set schedule and budget. Service Management stream focuses on how to adapt to change in the business while ensuring the continuity of business and efficient operational processes. Business Alignment stream connects the other four streams and steers their objectives and operations. Business Alignment presents the practical ways of implementing cooperation between business and ICT management. Clearly, ICT is playing a crucial role in all business activities, and therefore managing ICT professionally has become a necessity in order for a business to function properly. Before flying, Katri met the CIO of the airport to find out how the airport ICT is currently managed.
We're going to have a pure ICT, like which is handling all servers and systems into those and PCs and sort of things. But then we will have also business units, which are into the business. I think that is something that all the ICT directors, managers are thinking at the moment, that how to get into the business more and more.
There is a shift of emphasis here from ICT being a purely technical function into ICT becoming a valued partner for business. So does this mean a change of mindset is required for this partnership to blossom?
It's rising up all the time that more and more CIOs are sitting in the board of the companies.
And they might not have the technological background anymore.
Yeah.
They might come from the
business areas
or whatever it is. Yeah.
As Katri departed, I began to see the potential of ICT as a valuable asset to business, and ICT Standard as a way to bridge the gap between business and ICT.
So what have I learned so far? What I've learned is that ICT is a complex world and it's surrounding us every day and every way. And from the business perspective, ICT needs to be managed so that it's an enabler for business. But perhaps the key point here is that ICT Standard for Management creates a framework and a language that connects both business and ICT. And this framework will create future success.